I need to protect my data against ransomware. I need various methods to do that. And so we have indestructible snapshots. So you can say, snapshot this folder at 6 a.m. when the backup window closes and retain it for 30 days. And even if the administrator wants to delete it, he can't.
So I wanted to
But
talk about that. Uh,
yes,
so I did read a little small blurb about that. So what prevents, like, is that locked down forever? Like an admin can't delete it no matter what? Or is it just there are additional safeguards in place to make sure that someone doesn't compromise the admin password?
anyone who ever talked to any customer of EMC's Centera knows that if you build a system where you literally can't delete data, someone will get themselves in trouble and fill it 100% up with junk. And it will be a bad situation. So you have to provide some mechanism for overriding this because customers will paint themselves in corners. Um, as I said, our average selling price is well over $1 million. We don't have small customers who we only know third hand through VARs. We are in relatively intimate contact with every one of our customers. And so we don't have a fixed policy that says, if you jump through these hoops, then we will let you delete the undeletable snapshots. We and the customer agree what the hoops are. Multi-factor authentication must be 3 of the 5 people on this list. They have to know the passphrase and the proper response to the passphrase. And if they respond with this other response to the passphrase, then for the next 24 hours, do not give anybody the
Gotcha.
secret. As complicated as you want. As long as we can write it down, those are the rules. And then once you've jumped through the hoops, we give you a time limited token that allows you to delete snapshots for a short period of time. And that token is a one-time pad so that you can't it's not
Yeah.
good for
Forever. Yeah.
an
Yeah.
hour
Yeah.
whenever you use it. It is good for the time when we issue it for some limited period of time. And then you have to know the next one. And so, it was the best solution we could come up with.
And this probably helps in cases where someone attacks a company, they get access to a storage system, they start deleting backups or what have you, right? It sort of gives you that extra layer of
Yeah.
protection.
Good